One of the best home remedies for groin fungal infections is the application of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has strong antifungal properties, which can help eliminate the fungus causing the infection. It can also reduce inflammation and soothe irritated skin. Its antiseptic properties helps prevent further infection by keeping the area clean. Here's how you can use tea tree oil for groin fungal infection. Tea tree oil is very potent and can cause irritation if used undiluted, especially on sensitive skin. Dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut oil, olive oil, or jojoba oil. A common ratio is 3 to 4 drops of tea tree oil per tablespoon of carrier oil. Before applying the mixture to the infected area, do a patch test on a small area of skin to ensure you don't have an adverse reaction. Clean and dry the affected area thoroughly. Apply the diluted tea tree oil mixture to the infected area using a clean cotton ball or your fingers. Let it absorb into the skin. There's no need to rinse it off. Apply the mixture twice daily, preferably in the morning and before bed. If you experience redness, itching, or increased irritation, discontinue use immediately. If the infection persists or worsens after a few weeks of treatment, seek medical advice. Severe or stubborn fungal infections may require prescription medication. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Stay tuned for our next video.